9. Unknown tips for optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is crucial for making the most out of this professional networking platform. Let's dive into some actionable steps you can take to ensure your profile stands out. 1. Craft a compelling headline. Your headline is the first thing people see. Make it catchy, descriptive, and keyword-rich to grab attention and showcase your expertise. 2. Use a professional photo. A high-quality professional headshot can significantly increase your profile's credibility. Dress appropriately and ensure good lighting. 3. Write an engaging summary. Your summary is your chance to tell your story and highlight your unique value proposition. Keep it concise yet compelling, focusing on what sets you apart. 4. Highlight achievements with rich media. LinkedIn allows you to add images, videos, presentations, and documents to your profile. Use this feature to showcase your work, projects, and achievements. 5. Customize your URL. Personalize your LinkedIn URL to make it more professional and easier to share. It's a small detail that can make a big difference. 6. Optimize your experience section. Use bullet points to highlight key achievements and responsibilities in each role. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible to demonstrate tangible results. 7. Skills and endorsements. Make sure your skills are relevant and up to date. Request endorsements from colleagues and connections to add credibility to your profile. 8. Engage with content. Like, comment, and share relevant content to increase your visibility. Establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. 9. Regularly update your profile. Keep your profile fresh by updating it regularly with new experiences, skills, and achievements. This shows that you're active and engaged in your field. By following these actionable tips, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your LinkedIn profile and making a lasting impression on potential employers, clients, and collaborators. Go ahead and give your profile the attention it deserves. It could open doors you never thought possible.